Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox friends not showing. First, let's start with some essential initial checks. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent data from loading correctly. Always ensure your Roblox app is updated to the newest version, as outdated software can cause display issues. Also, quickly check the Roblox server status online to rule out widespread problems. Finally, a simple restart of your device, and the application can often resolve minor glitches. Next, let's dive into your in-game settings. Head over to your privacy settings within Roblox and confirm that your chat and friend visibility options are set appropriately, perhaps to friends or everyone. Sometimes, simple filters on your friends list can hide people, so double-check those. It's also worth a quick look to ensure you haven't accidentally unfriended or blocked anyone. Remember, your friends' privacy settings also play a role in their visibility to you. If the problem persists, it might be time to clear some data. Start by clearing the Roblox application's cache on your device. This can often resolve corrupted data issues. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox application is a strong next step. Don't forget the classic troubleshooting step of logging out of your account and then logging back in. As a final check, try accessing Roblox from an alternative device or a different web browser to isolate the problem. If you've tried all these steps and your friends are still not showing, it's time to reach out for official help. Before contacting Roblox support, gather all relevant information, such as screenshots and any error messages you've encountered. Visit their official support page and provide a detailed description of the problem, including all the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. Also, consider browsing community forums. Sometimes, other players have found solutions to similar, persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.